Benefits of magnesium citrate review. Magnesium is a naturally occurring mineral that is important for many systems in the body, especially the muscles and nerves. Magnesium citrate also increases water in the intestines. Magnesium citrate is used as a laxative to treat constipation. It is a combination of the element magnesium and citric acid. Magnesium citrate can be bought without a prescription in a drug store. It may be used to treat occasional constipation, acid indigestion, or in prescribed amounts. It is used to help clear the large intestine of stool before a test, such as for a colonoscopy, procedure, or operation on the digestive system. Ask a doctor or pharmacist if it is safe for you to take magnesium citrate if you have other medical conditions, especially kidney disease, a sudden change in bowel habits that has lasted longer than 2 weeks, stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, or if you are on a low magnesium or low potassium diet. It is not known whether magnesium citrate will harm an unborn baby. Do not use this medicine without a doctor's advice if you are pregnant. It is not known whether magnesium citrate passes into breast milk or if it could harm a nursing baby. Do not use this medicine without a doctor's advice if you are breastfeeding a baby. Since magnesium citrate is used when needed, you may not be on a dosing schedule. If you are on a schedule, use the missed dose as soon as you remember. Skip the missed dose if it is almost time for your next scheduled dose. Do not use extra medicine to make up the missed dose. In most cases, using magnesium citrate on an infrequent basis. However, using magnesium citrate on a long-term basis to treat constipation could result in other health problems. It's recommended that magnesium citrate only be used for constipation. Overuse of laxatives may have some harmful effects. In particular, overuse of magnesium citrate may lead to fluid loss. This can, in turn, lead to electrolyte imbalances, especially in people who have other medical conditions such as kidney disease. This medication can also increase the amount of magnesium in the body, but other forms of magnesium are available which have the same effect and do not act as a laxative. Brands of magnesium citrate may be recommended for bowel preparation. Magnesium citrate works by pulling water into the intestines. When there is more water in the intestines, the stool becomes soft. Avoid taking any other medicines within 2 hours before or 2 hours after you take magnesium citrate. Laxatives can make it harder for your body to absorb certain other drugs. The instructions and dosage for using magnesium citrate will be available on the bottle, but most often the dosage for constipation in adults is 10 ounces. 4 For children 6 to 12 years old, the dosage may be 5 ounces. For children under the age of 6, seek help from a pediatrician. Drinking 8 ounces of water after taking magnesium is important to replace the fluid loss from the body when more water is pulled into the intestines. When magnesium citrate is used to clear out the colon prior to a procedure, such as a colonoscopy, the doctor's office will give instructions on when to start taking it. It is important to use the product according to physician instructions because if the large intestine isn't cleared of stool, it may be necessary to postpone the test or procedure and start the process all over again. People who should avoid magnesium citrate include those who have a heart condition, a bowel obstruction, low calcium levels, low sodium levels, myasthenia gravis, neuromuscular disease, or who are dehydrated or on a low magnesium diet. Magnesium citrate is mild when used in the recommended amounts. However, in larger amounts, which is prescribed by a physician to clear out the colon of all stool, magnesium citrate can cause a lot of diarrhea. Constipation that is occurring more frequently should be discussed with a physician in order to discuss the most appropriate way to resolve it and to find out if there is an underlying cause that needs diagnosis and treatment. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to channel for more legit product reviews.